job. Okay, straighten it out a little.
Go this way, straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Good. Okay, turn it to the right a little. There we go. A little more. A little more. Heads up. I'm heading right towards another boat. A little more. Keep going.
Go, Brayden, go!
To the right. There you go. Okay, that's good. Okay, right here. This guy's like,
I know.
You're having so much fun.
you never know
So
from the
much
way
fun.
you're
You're going round
Going
and round.
and round.
See, we told you the boat would be fun.
Don't touch that. Don't touch
That's
that.
only for
Only the
Uncle
steering wheel.
John.
Hold the steering
You
wheel.
do the steering, John. Uncle John's gonna do everything else.
No, wait, turn it that way. Turn it all the way around.
Turn it
You want
left.
to go in a circle.
Want to go in a big circle?
All the way
Turn around. Help Uncle John.
There we go. Are you
Whee!
making a circle?
Okay, go that way now.
Okay, turn the wheel to the right. That way.
That way.
The way.
Look,
turn
that
it this way.
way.
Yep, keep turning.
Keep turning
Turn.
it.
Hard.
Okay, now we're going to
Okay,
go that
now
way.
straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Keep going. Keep turning. Keep turning.
There you go.
A little
Good
more right
job.
there. Okay, right there. Hold still.
Go straight. Perfect.
Turn to the left a little bit. Over here. Are we in the right lane, John? Oh, yeah.
There's no lanes.
Huh?
There's no lanes. He's driving.
Good job, Brayden.
You're doing good.
You're driving the boat. I can't believe it. You're
at
doing
you.
so good.
All by yourself. There's nobody sitting near you.
Good job, buddy.
We're headed towards some fishermen. Why don't we do this?
Go that way.
Go that
Go
way.
this way a little.
Turn a little bit.
Okay, there we
Okay.
go.
Okay, now
Okay,
go
hang on.
straight.
Keep it right here for a minute. Okay, now turn it to the right just a little bit. Probably right there. Okay, hold it still. You're doing good, Brayden. Look at you. Look at this big lake. You're out in the middle of this big lake. Look.
Wow.
How'd you do
You're a
that?
boat driver.
Look where the house is. It's way back there.
Oh my goodness.
You drove us all the way over here.
You're going way over there? Now it's gonna be, he's gonna be hoarse and say, I don't want to go.
Stay left a little bit. This way a little bit. There we go. Oh, is that an eagle? Or is that a seagull? That's a seagull.
Almost rhymes.